Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa has refuted the allegations of having nexus with the kuki militants under suspension of Operation Sioux agreement in Manipur raised by chairman of one of the Sioux groups. In a statement, Himanta said that some baseless allegations have been leveled against him recently in social media posts on understanding with some UG leaders of Manipur. It is reiterated that there is no engagement with any such elements, he clarified. Himanta said the 25 armed groups of Kuki, Jomi, Hamar ethnic communities are under Sioux in Manipur, which was first signed in 2008 by the then Congress government. The appeal mentioned on the social media post is written by the self-styled chairman of one of these groups who was under investigation for his involvement in the arms pilferage case from the armory of 2nd MR in 2018.